Alright, in this video I'm going to go over the second part of the page of simplifying radicals, which is just multiplying radical expressions. I'm going to go over the first three at the top and then you try the bottom three. Okay, so when you multiply radicals, since they are the same root, you can actually merge the multiplication on the inside of the radical. So square root of 12 times square root of 2 will become square root of 12 times 2, which equals square root of 24. So you're trying to also break this down to simplifying it like you did on the ones above. 24 will break down into 6 times 4, and then 6 becomes 2 times 3, and 4 becomes 2 times 2. Okay, so then now you're looking at pairs, and the pairs here will be these two that come out. And on the inside, you still have this 2 and 3. So the answer here would be 2 square root of 6. Okay, so for the next one, we have square root of 5 times square root of 5. And if you merge these because they are the same root, square root, you could look at it as 5 times 5. And if it's the same whole number, 5 and 5 comes out as 5. There's no more other numbers inside the radical, so the radical disappears, and the answer here is 5. So the shortcut to this is that if you multiply the square roots of the same number, you will get as an answer the radicand, the number that's on the inside, because the square roots cancel with each other when you square them. This is technically saying square root of 5 times itself, so squared. And square root cancels squaring, and you're left with the number on the inside. So another quick example for this will be square root of 3 times square root of 3. The answer here will be 3. You end up with square root of 3 times 3, which is 9, and square root of 9 is 3. So just another example there. Okay, the third example I'm going to go over is this one. So you have a coefficient of 2 and then a square root of 12. And these are multiplying each other. And then you're multiplying the coefficient of 3 and square root of 3. So they're multiplying each other as well. All of these four pieces are multiplying. So you can multiply in any order you will like. Coefficients seem to be the easiest, so you will see it as 2 times 3, and then square root of 12 times square root of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then square root of 12 times 3 kind of merge together. So that will be 36. But you're trying to break it down even more. So let's break down the 12. 12 could become 4 times 3. And don't forget the 3 that you already had. And then now we're going to break down 4 even more. So that's 2 times 2. And then these 3's. And then don't forget the 6 in the front. It kind of just keeps coming down. Okay, so these are a pair right here that's going to come out. And these are a pair right here that are going to come out. So you're going to have, I'm going to write up here. You're going to have a 2 and a 3 on the outside of the radical. And then you still have that 6 in the front. There's no other numbers left on the radical, so it kind of disappears. And then 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. That would be the answer. Okay, so pause the video and try the examples below. Okay, so there's that one, and that one. For the first example, if you already did it and you're just checking your answers, you should have gotten the answer of 12. For the second example, you should have gotten the answer of -2, square root of 14. For the third question over here, your answer should have been the answer of 16. Okay, I hope this video helps you understand multiplying radicals.